Welcome. Today I will guide you on how to turn off dark mode in X. If you prefer the traditional look of X and want to disable dark mode, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the X app on your Android or iPhone device. Find the X icon and tap to launch the app. Next, tap your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Look for your profile picture, usually a small thumbnail image, and give it a tap. In the menu that appears, locate and tap on the dark mode icon, typically found at the bottom left of the screen. Now, select Off from the options available. This will disable dark mode and return X to its default appearance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off dark mode in X and enjoy the app with its original look. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Customize your X experience by toggling dark mode on and off as per your preference.